Captain Brad and co-captain Erin, welcome aboard Wild Airlines flight 291114. The seatbelt light has now come on. Please fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff.
Like a low sitting bog at the break of day, let it fade, let it fade.
The flight has experienced some delays. Co-captain Erin has been waiting out here on the tarmac for over a decade for Captain Brad to get down on one knee and ask her to sign on to his flight plan.
I hear my heart.
He is for eternity and the everlasting love Brad and Erin share as they excitedly enter this new and wonderful chapter of their lives as husband and wife. Not to mention the eternity my dear Brad made Erin wait for this moment.
You know, if you ever wanted to photograph love, take a photograph of Erin looking at Brad. That's been there from day one. Make it last forever.
I can jump, I can soar, and I'm not afraid. Let the wind hit my
Erin, my favourite sister, I will always hold the memory of us sitting in your bedroom at Mum's place in Glenelg because we were both quite young when this all started. And you telling me, a few of my friends keep saying Brad likes me. I really don't think he does though, because he hasn't done anything about it. Clearly Brad doesn't like to rush things and you are way off the mark there.
I hear my heartbeat.
My darling Erin, I promise to always dream with you, even if it is about your next pair of shoes. I promise to always make you smile. I promise to always tickle you until you fall asleep.
My darling Brad, I promise that I will love you forever and that I shall never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime love.
Look beyond the horizon and remember.
And I can't stand here and pretend to be your dad. And I would never attempt to do that. It's too bloody hard.
Too shy.
But I can only encourage you to be the man he would want you to be. And that is a good husband. It is a good son. It is a good brother, uncle, and a friend. So please, you are his son. You have no excuse not to be all of those things.
Feel my wings take flight. Everything is golden underneath this sky, underneath this sky.
Captain Brad and co-captain Erin, on behalf of the staff and crew of Wild Airlines, we sincerely wish you a very smooth flight ahead. And finally, Captain Brad, may you always maintain cabin pressure in the cockpit.